Good afternoon everyone. This video we are calling Spoiler Alert, which was a really nice little pun that Nick came up with, so well done Nick. We are going to do our unboxing video. Now I've watched a couple of these on YouTube and there are things that you have to do. So the first thing we have to do is we have to say hi guys and please like and subscribe and push buttons. But I don't know where those buttons are or what we're supposed to actually do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this enormous package. Without cutting my fingers off. This is exciting. That is a box of things and oh my god. And this is UlriKa's new GT wing, which is definitely wider than the car. Ooh, it's got shiny beams. So they're the, I think they're the end plates. And I think we should keep the bubble wrap so we can keep Nick amused when we're driving along.
Sounds good to me.
Ooh. Here's our uprights. Yeah, they've got fairly decent sized plates. So that will go all the way through. Another one of them. And some bolts to stick it all together. And also, brilliantly, an instruction manual.
I think we're going to need that.
I think we will need that. So that is the first item unboxed. Do you know what? That's actually that's fairly high quality, that. Right, next unboxing thing. Attractive, look at that. God, I'm good. Second of our unboxing videos. This is for our exhaust. That we are both very excited to hear what it sounds like when it's on. This is our Cherry Bomb exhaust. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah.
I think the look on your face says it all.
That is beautiful. That is a work of art. And all the sorted bits and pieces to fit it onto UlriKa. And we're both very, very looking forward to hearing what this sounds like when it's on. And yeah, with the amount of sound deadening that we've removed from the back, we might need to invest in some earplugs. I mean, I'm deaf anyway, so that's quite handy.
I've got fingers.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, the next video we will post will be it being fitted. Both that, the spoiler, aerial's already on because Nick couldn't wait. He got overexcited and put it on immediately that it arrived. So we will see you in a short while, and do the like and subscribe thing because that's what the proper YouTubers do. Bye.